When we integrate secant square, it is going to give us a tangent. So this is going to be tangent x. And as for integrating tangent square x, we will make use of what we have here, because from here we know if we were to integrate tangent square x, it is going to give us a tangent x minus x plus c. So here it is going to be 5 times of tangent x minus x. Then lower limit, this is pi over 6, and upper limit, this is pi over 3. So what we are looking at is tangent x plus 5 tangent x. So we have a 6 tangent x, then minus 5x. Lower limit is pi over 6, and upper limit is pi over 3. So substituting the upper limit in, we have a 6 times of tangent pi over 3 minus 5 times this is 5 pi over 3. Then minus, substituting this in, it is 6 times of tangent of pi over 6 minus this times this is 5 pi over 6. So we have a 6 of tangent pi over 3. Pi over 3 is a special angle. Tangent pi over 3 is square root of 3 minus 5 pi over 3 minus away 6 times of this tangent pi over 6 is 1 over square root of 3, since pi over 6 is a special angle. So we have a 6 over square root of 3. Then this times this is going to be plus 5 pi over 6. I'm going to combine this together, but before we do that, let's rationalize this. So we have a 6 square root of 3 minus away, multiplying by square root of 3 in the numerator and square root of 3 in the denominator. We have a 6 square root of 3 divided by square root of 3 times square root of 3 is going to be 3. And minus 5 pi over 3 plus 5 pi over 6 will give me a minus 5 pi over 6. So we have a 6 square root of 3 minus away 2 square root of 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 2 square root of 3, it will give me a 4 square root of 3 minus 5 pi over 6. And comparing these to what the question wants, we can see that A is going to be equal to this, 4, and B is going to be equal to this, which is minus 5 over 6.